Ladies and gentlemen, an S-Bach, 37%, R922 receiver, HS-7950 servos, and just installed it, doing some pre-checks, 36-inch extensions that are 22 gauge wire. Picture of the receiver, 2 lithium-ion 5200 milliamp packs, approximately 8.1 volts coming out of the packs. And very jumpy. When I put a Spectrum receiver in it, direct, the problem seems to go away, mostly. And then when I go to 6 volts, the problem completely goes away. And I'm collecting some data with an oscilloscope. You can see it's connected to my aileron channel. See the pulse moving shortly. Here's some aileron channel action for you. Each segment's a volt, so it's about 3.5 volts signal out of the receiver. And more data to come. Obviously got issues, and hopefully these guys figure it out, right?